Meditation for broken heart, soul and mind poetry. My prayer. My prayer. A prayer filled with endless questions. The why, what, when, and whom. Only if I had the power over nature, the power to reign, the power to control, the power to summon and to command, all my questions would be clearly answered. If only heaven were to be brought down to earth, I would take a journey to go visit the Lord, a visit to make a request for all my questions. My life is like an endless, slippery and miserable roller coaster. No matter the struggles I come across in this endless marathon called life, I try to stay in the righteous path, even when I don't have enough strength to withhold whatever dilemma I may be in. I try giving support to the vulnerable. Lord, what I want to know is, am I the worst person ever to be going through this ongoing circus of pain? Lord, hear my prayer. Hear my prayer, Lord, when I call upon your name. Hear me, Lord, for I am pouring my spirit unto you. Lord, if ever all these things happen because of my wicked ways, redirect me and lead me to your righteous path. Oftentimes when people came to me crying, I never gave them a cold shoulder. Instead, I gave them an ear to listen. Compassion did I give unto them. Oh Lord, here is my prayer. I pray that you open my way. I pray unto thee that your grace be showered upon me. I pray that you, Lord, Holy Trinity, thy mercy be manifested in my life. I pray that your holiness, your greatness, your mighty power be descended unto me. Lord, hear my prayer. Hear my prayer, Lord, when I call upon your name. Hear my Lord. Hear me, Lord, for I am pouring my spirit unto you. My prayer, a prayer of a lost child, a prayer of a broken man, an emotional and deep devoted prayer. I pray that your holy hand breaks every chain fastened against my life. I pray that you reveal to me what you want. I pray that in these hard times you give me strength. I pray that you heal my wounded heart, that you give me patience more like to others. For in your word you say, those who believe in you shall be saved. I pray that you make me victorious, that you direct me to live a holy life. Unto thee I pray, I pour my spirit and heart unto you, God. Lord, hear my prayer. Hear my prayer, Lord, when I call upon your name. Hear me, Lord, for I am pouring my spirit unto you, Lord. In thy name, your mighty name, Jesus Christ, I pray, may your will be done. Amen.